Alright, y'all. So I'm taking a break from cleaning. Not really. I'm just doing my laundry right now. I'm already pretty exhausted. Not because like I did a lot, but because like I don't really feel like doing anything. Like at all. Like 0 fucking %. But it's not about what you want to do, it's about what you need to do. And I need to do this. Like, I'm glad that I did it though. I'm glad that, you know. But I would very much like to sit my ass down. So, one thing about me is that one thing that I'm kind of glad that I kept up with my bathroom. I cannot do a dirty bathroom or a dirty kitchen. I just can't fucking do it. Messy room, cool, whatever, fuck it. But a dirty bathroom, no. So I don't really have to do much in my bathroom. The only thing I have to really do is wash my towels and fold them. Like make everything look pretty again. But besides that, everything's pretty fucking good. I just cleaned my bathroom yesterday, so. Yeah, so right now we're taking a break. Right now I'm about to start a vision board for the rest of this year. I wanted to do this literally in January and I did not freaking do it. So that'll probably explain why my 2023 was so fucking shit. So we're gonna get our off-brand Apple Pencil and our handy dandy iPad and we're gonna get to work. The thing is, I already went on Pinterest and I already got a couple of things that kind of inspired me and kind of show like what I want and what things I want to work on and think how I want to eventually be naturally. It's mostly just getting back to myself though. It's nothing like too like, oh my god, I want to start like running 10K like marathons like every other weekend. No, it's nothing like that. It's literally just normal shit that I used to do 24/7 that I don't really do much anymore because I am depressed. I know y'all saw all the medicines when I was cleaning. Yeah. I'm on my last few legs, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. I don't think that I was going to edit that out, but I don't think I will. I think that I want to keep this authentic and just kind of actually show y'all like literally me, you know? It is 2:52. I literally like, I don't have much else to do today. Like, so I still need to go grocery shopping. But besides that, like, yeah, I don't have much I need to do. So let's just take care of it. We're gonna go ahead and start on this vision board. Zoom this in to my face. And I'm also gonna be sharing record on my iPad so y'all know what we're doing. Okay. So with this vision board, I already have a couple pictures. There's nothing in here that I don't want y'all to see, so let's go. But so today, this is a journal I actually made today. This kind of inspired me to do this vision board. So the month of November, this is kind of what I want in life, you know. Well, this is how I want my November to consist of. Is that yeah, is this basically. So this month's like kind of, I guess, agenda would be I want to get my wings back. I just want to find myself again. I want to get back into the groove. I just want to be who I was before. And the thing is that I'll never be able to be that person again, ever. But I can strive to be close to her. You know what I mean? God dang, my bags are... Anyways, so... yeah. So basically, I'll explain some of the stickers that are on here. But they're actually not stickers. They're like cutouts. But the words that you see, that like the type words, those are stickers. So it was an artist. It was an artist life that I wanted. So basically, I just kind of wanted to live in creativity. I just kind of want to express myself again and actually enjoy the things around me. You know, I'm only gonna accept things in my life that make me happy. And curiosity, basically, if I'm curious about something, I'm gonna go and pursue it. It doesn't really matter what it is. A beautiful home, basically, I want to start cleaning again. I want to start cooking again. I want to just stay organized and stuff like that. Glittering in the sun, basically, what that means to me is that I need to get my skin back together ASAP. All right, I'm not just talking about my face. I'm talking about my whole body. It is not like literally. I have eczema patches everywhere because I have not been doing what I need to be doing. All right, have not been on my Zoom. The next one is good luck. Basically, that I'm wishing myself good luck. But that's very straight fucking forward. Knowledge costs nothing. I just want to start reading again. I have plenty of books that I've started reading and I've stopped reading only because I just been a little depressed, just tad. And so she was herself again. I just want to be myself again, and she kept her word, meaning that everything that I'm saying right now is not only a plan, but it's the future, if you will. And then my heart is full, meaning that I don't want to feel empty anymore. I kind of just want to fill myself with things that make me feel good and full, you know? The next things I put was I want to try new things. Anything. I say that I don't know what to try, but that's because I haven't discovered it yet. So I want to try new things. That's including like food, health, exercises, stuff like that. This is just like basically what the month is going to consist of. On this little piece of tape here it says get up, get moving, and get food, because I have not been getting up, I have not been moving around much, and I have not been eating, and that is not good, you know. I'm just gonna let things go. I have been holding on to a lot of things only because I'm not afraid of change. I actually welcome change, but recently, I guess I felt like I've changed so much that I've been trying to keep on like clutching the things that are familiar to me, even if they do me no good. So basically, I just need to let things go. You know what I mean? And then basically, no contact November, and there's like a little phone there with bell silence. So basically, no Instagram, no Snapchat. You know what I mean? TikTok, I gave myself an hour a day. I'm trying to work myself down eventually, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna stay at an hour because I can't. No. And then also, I'm going to not stop checking on people, but I'm going to check up on myself more often. You know, I'm still gonna talk to people, you know, because that's not healthy to not talk to people. But I am going to reduce it just a tad, and I already don't talk to people a lot, so it's gonna be a pretty major difference. So that's just the first one. You know, I just wanted to explain this because this is gonna help explain the rest of the the vision board that I have. So we're gonna go ahead and open up Procreate. And I'm gonna do a screen size. I think I'm gonna make this end up being my screensaver for my iPad, because as y'all see, I just have the regular smagular iPad screensaver. I'm gonna turn our bootleg Apple Pencil on and get to work. The first image I'm gonna add. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. first image we're gonna add is, what is that thing called? Where is it? There we go. So this is gonna be the first image that we're gonna add because this is literally the reason why I'm doing everything. I kind of want to put it in the middle, but at the same time, no. We're gonna put it over here to the side. Just leave it to the side. Right there, because I have so many pictures. And also, this is gonna be a reminder. This little first picture here is a reminder that I need to journal more often. All right. So we're just gonna go ahead and just keep adding the photos. I'm gonna add the photos as I go and explain them as I go. So let's go ahead and add this one. So basically with this one, I just want to start hitting the gym, like, and actually taking gym progress pictures. Not really progress pictures, but like cute little gym photos because I have not been doing that. I have not been doing it, and I want to. So we're gonna add that. This one here, I just want to start grocery shopping again. I have not been really doing that like I should. And it showed. It has showed most definitely in my bank account, to be exact. And so we're going to work on that. What's that smell? We're gonna be working on that. I like this quote here: "Is taking care of yourself is productive," because I want to focus on productivity, but I don't really put myself first. That's literally the best way I could put that. So. We got that bad boy right there. Okay. And then let's see. Once again, I want to start like implementing art in my life again. I really enjoy art. I really love art, and I really like going to museums, but I have not been doing that recently because where do I want to put this? Let's start building over here. Because I haven't really had the time, and at first it was like, oh, I know no one to go with, but I've done mostly everything on my daily life by myself, and that is good and all, but I really wanted to change that for October. That didn't happen. So I think I'm gonna revert back. I think I'm gonna revert back to just chilling by myself. You know what I mean? And that's okay. So yeah, I'm going to finish the rest of it, and then I'll come back to y'all and talk to y'all about it. All right, guys. So I'm back. Yeah, this is what I got. So I'm gonna explain it a little bit, just a tad. So, yeah. So, starting here, obviously, this is the journal. This is what started this whole mood board. So, next, right? So, this right here is just a recipe I'm gonna try. I don't really eat a lot of tofu. I mean, I eat a lot of tofu because I be going to Chipotle, but I don't eat a lot of like homemade tofu. So I wanted to try that. This is gym. I just want to try to do some cute gym pics, you know. I talked about these already. Good things are coming. Basically, I'm praying at this point. Grocery shopping. This is a skincare kind of thing. I just want to start taking really cute skincare pictures and self-care pictures. She's intelligent. I want to start reading again. Fragrances. Listen, I have a lot of perfumes, and I wear all of them, but I don't wear them enough, if you know what I mean. I have a staple, and I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I'll show you all that later. But I wear that one 24/7, and it's too expensive to be wearing 24/7. Well, also, I have not even, I'm rambling. Anyways, back to this. So, right here, 333, I keep seeing this number every freaking where. So I looked it up. It's basically productivity. Crazy, right? I'm excited, you know what I mean? Balance. This is for my brand. If y'all don't know, I have a clothing brand. It's called Psych. It is a streetwear clothing brand, basically surrounded by, expressing the importance of mental health and stuff like that. And I preach about balance and all that. And basically what I want to say is that I want to focus on balancing my life and everything in it. And I also want to try to make the drop happen this month. Well, yeah, this month. And we'll see, you know what I mean? Well, not this month, in December. Anyways, this one, jewelry, I just want to start wearing jewelry again. I have jewelry, I just don't wear it enough. So we want to start, upping our game, you know what I mean? Topaz, that's my birthday stone. Well, it's blue topaz to be specific, but I like regular topaz a little better. So I put that one there. Also, more museum stuff. I want to start going to museums and just looking at artwork and stuff like that. This one is just more like hair, skin, and nails. Basically, this little picture is just motivating me to start my dermatology career, start looking at colleges and stuff like that. This picture is a picture of Austin, Texas, is where I want to go to school. I want to go to University of Texas at Austin. I really love Austin. It's gorgeous city. I'm from Texas, so don't come for me, you know what I mean? And then this is a picture of the Quran. I had a dream that I read the Quran and it changed my life. So now I have to do it. I have to read it. And not only just that, it's something that I don't really know about that much, Like I know from what people tell me, but I've never read it myself, Like the Bible, yes, I know the things what people have told me, but I've read it multiple times and, yeah. I keep dropping it. Next, I just want to start wearing my piercings again. I don't wear them, you know what I mean? I just started wearing my septum out. I wear my septum, but I usually wear a retainer, so you can't even see my septum usually. My ears, you can't tell, but I have 3 right here, and then I have a tragus piercing. I had a belly button piercing. I took the picture because it was not working. And yeah, I also want to get more piercings, but I have to handle the ones I have now first. This one, it's just her face. Look at her. She's fucking gorgeous. Now, we don't have no similar features at all. But I like the way she did her makeup. And so I want to, at least one day out of this month, try to do my makeup that way. This girl is serving goddess. She's serving modesty goddess. You know what I mean? So therefore, that's what I'm going to be working on this month. Now, everywhere but the gym, okay? I'm not wearing that many clothes. I don't care. But everywhere else, since it's colder, it's gonna be easier for me to be modest. So that's easy, you know what I mean? This is just a picture of a lady with a camera. I want to start vlogging again, and I just want to start use my camera more often, just taking pictures and just kind of, creating memories with my camera, capturing memories with my camera. and created them. This one, I just want to take a picture like this eventually. Just me sipping on some real cute water with a little juice, or some little juice, you know what I'm saying, with my little patches on, and my hair kind of done with a little robe on. That's all I want to do. I just want a picture like that. This one, listen, I don't have a body like that, but I want to go to the gym and go topless at least once. Not, I'm talking about a bra, but without a pump cover. I wear a pump cover every time I go to the gym, and I wear it the whole time. I'm too scared to take it off. I don't have the best body, but I need to be more comfortable in my body, and I feel like that will help me get out of my comfort zone. So therefore, that's what we'll be doing. Stanley, I just want to start drinking more water. I don't want to start drinking more water. I want to start hydrating more. So I drink a lot of water to the point it's kind of unhealthy. I flush out my micronutrients. Like my piss is clear. That's not good. If you're pissing clear, that's not good. You're flushing out all your micronutrients, including sodium. So do with that information as you will. You know what I mean? I just want to cook something like this. I don't eat zucchini. I've had zucchini probably like once that I know of, and I kind of want to start eating it. You know, it's a hot girl vegetable. You know what I mean? I love avocado. You put avocado on anything, I'll eat it. I love avocados. This picture, guys, we're gonna skip it. Atomic Habits. Listen, I have that book. I know y'all saw me put it on my nightstand. I've read it, but not enough. You know what I mean? Like, I did not finish it, and I kind of forgot about what was said. You know, I did implement some of them in my life, and it actually did make my life a lot easier and a lot better and a lot healthier. So I want to start actually reading it again and actually finish it. You know, how's my battery about to die? One second, guys. All right, that might be a little bit better. I mean, that should be better. It should fix it. Moving on. So yeah, I'm gonna start reading Atomic Habits and just kind of get back into implementing those principles into my life. I want to start relaxing more, chilling, winding down. I don't really wind down. I don't sleep either. I kind of just go, you know. I also don't get up to wind down. So anyways, I just want to work on winding down. I want to start baking again. I have not been baking. I love baking. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I have not been doing it because I am depressed. Moving on, Austin, once again, I want to go to school in Austin. I'm going to go to school in Austin. If I don't, I will. Too easy. There's no other options. Make my screensaver for my iPad. This girl right here, new girl, this glasses. I just want to start feeling like that back to y'all when I start doing something else. You know, I just want to start. The next thing I'm probably about to do is head to the grocery store. I don't want to say like a child. I want to do a job. I feel getting ready for that. My outfit and everything. Joyful. So, you know what I mean? This is
Right, so I'm gonna wear outfit.
Y'all been here before. It's the bathroom. I am about to start getting ready to go to the grocery store. I was gonna take a shower.
Yeah, and then I just
slept November on it, called it a day. And so when I get back from the grocery store, I'm gonna take everything shower. We're not gonna do that right now. We're gonna just take it. And we're just gonna get ready. Okay. My elbows are bad. You can't really see, it's not focusing on them. Oh well, I'll show you later. But I have eczema on them. They're really fucking bad. I don't feel like doing my whole skincare routine. I don't feel like doing my whole skincare routine, so we're just gonna moisturize a little bit, put a little sunscreen on, and call it a day. Today's the 31st, okay, October 31st. So technically, I don't have to start doing everything I said I'm gonna do until tomorrow. But we're going to put in initiative a little bit today, so tomorrow won't be so hard. So I'm just gonna go in with the Play Super Goop, 2-finger trick, and we're going to moisturize. Ooh, it's cold. Guys, I don't care what season it is. I don't care the weather. I don't care if it's sunny out or if it's not sunny out. I don't care if you're black. I don't care. I don't care if you're another race that's a little darker complexion. I don't care. I don't care. Put your damn sunscreen on. I'm not gonna keep telling y'all this. I'm not. I am gonna keep telling you this. I am. So you might as well just freaking do it. Alright. I'm gonna put a little mascara on, just a little bit, just a tad. I think this one might be the dried up one. I don't know what my good one's at. So it is what it is. We're just gonna put that on. I'm not gonna put a lot on because I don't feel like taking a lot off later. How y'all doing? You know? Y'all doing good? I'm doing alright. I'm actually very tired and I don't feel like going to the store. But, like I said earlier, it's not about what you want to do, it's what you need to do, alright? And I cannot be depressed forever. The thing is, I don't feel like cooking tonight either. So I don't really know what I'm gonna make because everything that I'm grocery shopping for needs avocados. And I'm pretty sure there's not gonna be any avocados ready at the grocery store. I'll be honest, I really want to go out in pajamas. I really do. But we are trying to do better, so we're not gonna do that. I think what I'm gonna do instead is I think I'm gonna wear Skims. Because listen, the dress is pajamas, you know, but it's nice. It's $80 pajamas at that. So yeah, we're wearing a Skims dress for sure. I did find a really good dupe for Skims. I might start buying that instead of the actual Skims dress. But the Skims dress is a little bit substitute. This is the dupe. Like, it still has like a pretty heavy material, and but it, of course, it's not as heavy as the Skims. But it's like, it really does like a good job like weighing down on your curves. I think that's what makes the Skims dress so magnificent. But this is the Skims dress I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna wear the gray one today. It's pretty modest. It goes all the way down. The chest is out, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like try to pull it up a little bit, you know. Like I said, when I say I'm dressing modestly, I'm not being 100% covered. I want to. I just don't have no clothes like that. So, and I'm not about to go grocery shopping and then clothes shopping. I'm not doing it right now. I'm just gonna wear a bralette, you know. This one is from Joyspun, and it's from Walmart. Listen, these things are so good. They're so cute, and I'll show y'all when I put it on. What y'all doing? Why are you looking at me? Stop looking at me. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. So this is the bra. Like, it's very cute. I'll show you. Pull it down. I'll pull it down. It's very cute. It, like, supports the girls pretty well. And it's like, you know, it doesn't, you know, I don't really want my boobs touching because your bitches get sweaty because they big. You know what I mean? So, without that, I think I'm gonna go in with the Sol de Janeiro body, the Bum Bum body for, this one, the orange oil. I'm gonna go in with that one, just right here. I don't want to put too much on because I'm literally about to take a everything shower. So I'm only gonna put it where my skin's showing. Don't act like you've never done that before, okay? You have. We all have, okay? Yeah, damn. So, I am gonna wear closed-toe shoes. I never wear Converse with dresses. Who said I can't wear my dress? Oh, baby. But that's just me. Sorry. So, yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Literally, the first time I ever smelled this, I was like, this is literal popcorn. Why would anyone want to smell like fucking popcorn? But, it has most definitely grown on me because I know what it smells like now after it's settled down. It smells like a little caramel, like, pistachio kind of smell. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna be wearing that. If y'all didn't know, I will go commando everywhere. I don't wear underwear. I only wear underwear sometimes when I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing jeans. But that's it. I don't like underwear. I don't like wearing underwear. I used to wear underwear all the time, and I used to get yeast infections all the fucking time. And don't say, oh, it's because you don't clean down there. It's because I clean. My coochie just couldn't breathe, alright? And if you have the same problem, if you have like chronic UTIs and chronic fucking yeast infections, you should fucking try it out before you start dissing me, alright? Alright, thank you. So like I said, I'm gonna try to like pull it up, because it usually sits like right here. You know what I mean? So we're gonna put it up a little bit. Alright. Nice and comfortable. Nice and comfortable, but we tried a little bit, you know? I don't really know what kind of necklace I want to wear. I kind of want to not wear a necklace, but I literally said that I want to start wearing jewelry more. So we're going to wear a little bit of a necklace. I'm going to go with these earrings for my big piercing, for like the main one on my lobe. Change of plans. So we're going to go with another freaking like diamond one. This one's fake though. We're gonna go with another diamond one. This is like a heart shape. It really looks like a triangle when you're looking at far away, but you know, whatever. So we're gonna put that in the second hole. Dang! Why is it bent? Yep. We ain't gonna question it. We ain't gonna question it. We're just gonna do what we need to do. So sometimes earrings come with those like butterfly things at the back. I don't like those, so I bought like a big pack of like earring bags, the plastic ones or rubber, whatever this is, and they've come in real freaking handy because I just really hate those butterfly ones. You know which ones I'm talking about, the metal ones. I hate them so freaking much, so I don't use them. Problem solved. I want to put triggers in, but I don't feel like doing the work to put triggers in. So we're not going to today. We're not going to today. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you, thank you. But I think I'm just gonna wear this cross. I don't really feel like, I don't feel like doing any fucking thing. You know, I'm really forcing myself to do this shit. But it's good for me. It's good for me. It's good for me. You know, I just gotta keep telling myself that. Do you think this goes kind of cute? Let's see. I feel like it's a little too chunky for the look. I feel like it's a little too chunky for the look. I got this fake ass tennis necklace. No? Okay. I got this tiger's eye. Maybe actually, hold on. No. I have this butterfly necklace that I wear the shit out of. Why is everything so edgy? I think I'm just gonna go with this. I think I'm gonna just sit with this. I want to take my fucking septum out. I don't know what else, what other. Like, I don't feel like dealing with a septum, like, with balls right now. I don't. So we're gonna see what this one might look like. Like, what the fuck, dude? Fuck. Oh, I know what to do. Not wear one. Oh my god, great idea, man. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Skims dress. No tummy control or anything. I'm just wearing this thing. So y'all know my circle glasses. I wear them all the time. But today I think I want to wear a different pair of glasses. I have different glasses, guys. I just really like my circle ones. But I think today's vibe is a little bit like this. Yeah, I think it's cute on me. I rarely wear these because I like really like my circle ones. And I don't know if I want to keep my hair up. I think I am. I think I've done enough like trying today. Like, I could do my edges, but I don't feel like doing that either. So I don't think I will. I want to wear closed-toe shoes because my toes haven't been done, but at the same time, I don't feel like clean socks. Like, I have clean socks. I just Well, you won't be able to see them. I won't really have to find matching socks, you know? I am so insecure with this. Like, it's cute, you know? I look cute, but it's like... it's showing me. You still put a jacket over it? You're so smart. Actually, let's see what this cardigan looks like over it. No. Maybe if it was white. Yeah, no. Maybe if it was white. I don't want to wear this anymore. You said change the whole outfit? I think you might be right, bro. I don't know. I want to start wearing more skirts and stuff, but I just can't do it. Like, the more I look at myself, the more I'm like, you know? Here, I'm sure y'all what it looks like. Open toe shoes, because I don't feel like buying something that will actually look decent with this. Look how it makes my hips look. Look at my ass. No, I don't like it. 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 We're changing. Yeah. I don't know. Still have the day because I don't feel like actually getting ready. I don't feel like actually getting ready. I don't feel like actually getting ready. This was the fragrance I talked about earlier. This is one I wear 24/7. I made a dent in it, you know. It's called Guerlain. I love it. It smells great. It's like if you're like a vanilla kind of girl, this for you. I love it. But today we're gonna be wearing Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. I love this as well. It's more like a grown woman kind of smell. And I love smelling like a rich old auntie. And we're gonna finish this outfit off with my black Converse. These are the ones I use for the gym. And we're gonna be wearing these because I don't feel like, once again, finding more to wear. Be grateful, because I could have went out, and also we're wearing black and white socks. Gang, gang. I don't even know what that gang sign means. Please don't come burn my fucking house down or hunt my fucking family down, because I don't know what it fucking means. Okay, I just did it because I thought it looked cool, you know? I am not affiliated with any gangs. Leave me out of this. I'm probably not gonna take y'all with me to the grocery store. I feel like I'm just gonna show y'all what I got when I get back, because I already have a lot of anxiety going to the grocery store. So I don't want to add more to my load by having a fucking big ass fucking camera with a red light and damn, and a spotlight as well flashing on me. So I'm not gonna do that to myself. I'm not gonna bring my camera. I'll see y'all when I get home. Alright y'all, so I'm back from grocery shopping. I told y'all I'd show y'all what I got when I got back. So I'm back. I'm sure y'all what I got, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's it. Listen, I'm so fucking broke, it's like not even funny. So we got some avocados, some limes, some pepper jack cheese, some queso fresco, pesto, some butter, this daring plant-based chicken stuff, salmon, some eggs, some celery, and some Dave's Killer Bread. The 21 grains is my favorite. All their bread is pretty good, but that one, that was the best. I'm just gonna put all this up, and then I think I'm gonna cook dinner right now. It's only 6:13, so I think I will cook dinner right now. Rinse your freaking rice off. Alright, y'all. So we about to eat, you know what I'm saying? Today was a long day. I'm happy that I actually got my ass up, but it was a long day. This is the bowl that y'all just saw me cook. And this is the lemon lime lemonade from Chipotle. I had this yesterday, but I need urban drink before it goes bad. And then I got a scratch off today. I kind of want to do this on camera. No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna win something. Game in real life, I wanted to, but I was never cool enough, you know, to play with the cool kids. So yeah, so I'm pretty sure I got to scratch this off first because this is the players of the callers card, and then scratch the corresponding things, and then it has like a bonus game at the bottom. I'm gonna read the instructions. It says, so basically, complete scratch off the cause card, 21 symbols, scratch off only the symbols on the player board that exactly match the symbols revealed on the player's card. If you reveal a complete row, column, or diagonal line, you win the prize for that line. Okay, so I see that. And yo, I really just want this one. I just want $100. I'll be satisfied with 5, to be honest. But I'm not even paying attention to this over here. I'm be honest with you. So let's get started. I only got a penny. I usually like scratching off with dimes, but I only got a penny, so. That's a windmill. Y'all want me to call it out or y'all want me to just go? I want to just go, okay. We're gonna do 3 at a time. Alright. So we got the sunset. Scratch that off right there. The sunset. The flower. Ooh, the blue bonnet. Okay, we got the blue bonnet. Moving on. And is there a windmill on here? No. next 3. Okay, maracas, nice. The horseshoe, nice. And the horse. I don't think there's a horse. Nope, no horse. We got next 3. The guitar, shoes, the hen. So I don't think there's a hen. Oh, there's a hen. Got a hen. Guitar. Nope. Shoes. Nice. The hen, shoes, and the guitar. There's no guitar. Armadillo. Is there armadillo? I love armadillos. I think they're so cute. No armadillo. Oh, I was supposed to do 3 at a time. My bad. The fire. I don't think there was a fire. Nope. The newspaper. Oh, there's a newspaper. Nice, nice. The bat. Chili pepper. And the spear. There's a bat. There's a chili pepper. Spear, whale, pecan tree. So all we have left is the whale, the pecan tree, Lone Star, the piata, cowboy hat, and roadrunner. So those are what we're looking for, y'all. Alright, cherries, roadrunner, and the rattlesnake. I don't think there's a snake. Nope, I didn't see a snake, but I did see a roadrunner. Alright guys, we're at the last 3. We need a cowboy hat, a wheel, a cowboy hat, a wheel, the Lone Star, and that, I think that's all of it for, like, if we just get 1. 2, pecan tree, the piñata, and then that, you know what I'm saying, the thing you make like salsa in. We got an org, no. We got a boar, absolutely not. And last but not least, we have a lizard. Let's look into the fucking lizard on here. Absolutely not. So we didn't win shit up there. So now we're gonna go down here. If we have any of these up here, we can check down here. I'm pretty sure with this one you have to match all 4. Let me see. Bonus games play instructions. Scratch only the symbols on the card games that exactly match the symbols raised in the cards. Reveal all formats and blah blah blah. Okay, so basically, if all these match all of these, then we get a prize. Down there, let's fold it so y'all can see what I'm doing. I really only got this player's card. I only got this card because it was big. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I think I had so we know we had chili pepper. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Let's go in order. The windmill. There's no spur, and there is
Was there oil rig? I could have sworn there was. There is an oil rig. But there is no spur. Spur. Nope. So this one we didn't win shit. Let's see what the price could have been. 500. Nobody was gonna win that. All right. So the wagon, we did not have a wagon, did we? No, we didn't have a wagon. So obviously that's out of the fucking. Let's see what we could have won. $100. Right. We had a guitar. We did not have a fucking cactus. Nope. So we could have won $20. You know what? Listen, that right there says 1 out of 3.77. Including break-even prices. This thing was $5. It was fun. You know what I mean? It was fun. It was fun. It was fun. It's fun. But yeah, technically, girl math. Ooh. Yes, I rubbed my eye with mascara on. God. Technically, with girl math, I spent no money because that was a tip and it was in cash. So technically, I didn't lose any fucking money. If we want to be for real. But yeah, I'm gonna fuck this up. And I'll come back to y'all either today or tomorrow. Maybe I'll tell y'all when I'm about to take everything shower. But I probably just gonna actually indulge in this and go the fuck to sleep. But yeah, it was nice talking to y'all today. Thank you for being around. Yeah. This month is gonna be a little insane, but I'm excited. And I want to try to post this on the 1st. And then go into my little non-contact phase, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. See y'all later. Bye.